Hello students, today is a lecture about how to build our own Google Sheets add-ons. We are having the list of add-ons here in this tab, and you are having many of the choices for selecting your add-ons. But if you don't have that add-ons included in your list, then you can make your own add-on. The ways to build your own add-on is, firstly, you can code your own add-on, and the other option is you can have the pre-made Zapier integrations which are used for the add-ons. If you have ever written JavaScript code or have some time to learn the basics of the code, you can create your own full-featured Google Sheet add-on, and you can even publish them to the Google Sheet add-on gallery if you like it. All you need is the script editor. This script editor is in the tools. You're having the script editor here. When you're gonna click it, it will ask you for the JavaScript code. In this code, you can build your own add-on. Another way to build your add-on or to use your add-on except the view list of the add-ons, you're having the option of Zapier. You're having the option of Zapier integration. For a simpler option, you use an app integration tool like Zapier to build connections to your favorite app and do work in your spreadsheet automatically. Zapier can watch your Google Sheets account for new spreadsheet, worksheet, or new or updated rows. It can also search spreadsheets for existing data as well as add and update rows in the spreadsheet. Zapier can then copy data to and from your spreadsheet and others as the seamless work you do. Like here having the Zapier here. It is filled with so many integrations that are used to minimize your work. In the Zapier integrations, you are having the create Google Calendar events. You can create your events here. You can add the calendar here for the events. Secondly, you can also use the Trello cards here. It's not getting login then. We have discussed this earlier. You can also use the Trello cards, the app, Trello cards. You can also use the Gmail procedures that send a Gmail for the new Google Sheet spreadsheet. It also having the link with Twitter account, with your Gmail account, and it also having the procedure to send the messages to the Slack. So these are the integrations included in the Zapier for making your own add-on or for the addition of your spreadsheet features. The next topic is how to work offline in the Google Sheets. As you know, for all the great feature add-ons bring to Google Sheets, there is still one tiny thing where it still has a disadvantage to Excel. That is the working offline. As a web application, Google Sheet runs in your browser and only works when you are offline. That is unless you install the Google Sheets Chrome extension, which comes pre-installed with most of the copies of the Chrome. Once it is installed, you will need to enable offline mode for it to work. While you are online, you just open your Google Drive settings. Now we are online, we are going to have the Google Drive settings. Then you are going to home. Here it is having the settings. Here you are having the option you want to work offline or you want to work online. It is to tell you that you want to create, open and edit your recent Google Docs files on this device while you're offline. When you're going to make it online, it's going to display that setting up the offline files. You just press OK. It's still working with setting up offline. So by this you can check the box beside Google Docs, Sheets, Slides and drawing files to this computer. All the files in which you are working, they will be saved to your computer or your drive as the offline. Thank you.